Empower Cash is a financial service that allows users to borrow money and repay it in installments, with interest. To understand how Empower Cash works, let's break it down step by step. First, users need to download the Empower Cash app and sign up for an account by providing some basic personal and financial information. The app will then review the user's creditworthiness and offer a loan amount and interest rate based on their credit profile. Once the user accepts the loan offer, the funds are deposited into their bank account. The user can then use the money for any purpose, such as paying bills or covering unexpected expenses. Repayment of the loan is typically done in installments, with each installment consisting of a portion of the principal amount and interest. The interest rate is usually fixed, and the user knows exactly how much they need to pay each month. One of the key features of Empower Cash is its flexibility. Users can choose their own repayment schedule, and the app allows them to make early payments or pay more than the minimum installment if they want to pay off the loan faster. To illustrate how Empower Cash works, let's consider an example. Suppose a user borrows $1,000 with an interest rate of 10% per annum, and the loan needs to be repaid in 12 monthly installments. In this case, the user would need to pay approximately $100 per month, which includes both the principal amount and the interest. It's essential to note that Empower Cash charges interest on the loan, and users should carefully review the terms and conditions before accepting a loan offer. Additionally, late payments can result in additional fees, so it's crucial to make timely payments to avoid any extra charges. In conclusion, Empower Cash provides a convenient and flexible way for users to access cash when they need it. By understanding how the service works and making timely payments, users can use Empower Cash to manage their finances effectively and achieve their financial goals.